How to refund games on Steam. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Steam app. And then once we open that, what we are going to do is to make sure that we are logged in into our account, which is right here. Now, once you do that, just go here on the help section, which is right here, and then click Steam support. Once you do that, what we are going to do is to just scroll down and then look for purchases. After that, just click this one right here. And then in this part, just scroll down once again until you see the game that you want to get a refund from. So click this one right here, and then just scroll down once again and then look for I would like a refund. After that, click it right here. And then in this part, just click I'd like to request a refund. And then just scroll down. And then in this part, you will have an option where you want to refund your money to. So I'm gonna click refund to Gcash. And then after that, just scroll down. And then in this part on the tell us why section, it's up to you whether you want to answer it or not, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click submit request. After that, all you have to do is to wait for Steam support, and then they will email you the reference code for the refund process. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to refund games on Steam.